Another comment says, when I left my abusive ex, I basically left in the night with very few things. I consulted with a divorce attorney who literally told me to go back home and just sleep in a separate room with a glass of water by the door so I could hear him come in. There was probably a 50 loaded guns in the house, in every room, and he had a huge history of violence. So that was the dumbest thing to say. She also told me to make sure he's taking his psych meds by literally spiking his drinks with him. The attorney said that? I feel like that's not ethical by the attorney, and I wish I filed a report at the time with the board, but I wasn't in any place mentally to do anything like that. Oof, man, that is terrible, man. Yeah, another divorce lawyer says the first thing they tell their clients is to establish a safety plan. Safety. Yeah, safety is going to be the most important thing, especially in an abusive relationship. Man, and this is even if she's 50. Yeah, a lot of people are putting, why would her attorney advise her to stay in the house? Let's see. On the night before she went missing, Sharon asked her to move one of the vehicles out of the driveway because Ron had to leave for a breakfast business meeting on the following morning. Okay, so somebody puts, not sure if this is a relevant detail, but it sounds like Ron may have left early to take care of something or simply get away from his family to shift his mindset into doing murder. They found Sharon's car. Did they ever look in that car that Ron took out or any other cars in that household? Didn't see this mentioned anywhere, but it may have been a significant clue to where Ron went. For example, evidence that he drove into the woods, dirt road, etc. Ron definitely proceeded brutally, slandered his wife, basically accused her of mental illness and addiction, which is messed up. Assassinating her character would help him whether they made it to the divorce proceedings. And it also set up plausible excuse for a disappearance. It's surprising that Rob is mentioned only as a possible suspect. I agree with that. I don't understand how he's just a possible suspect. He should be the suspect. That's common advice from my understanding. A divorce can drag out for years, and if you leave, you may not be able to get back in until everything is settled. A judge may also take abandonment into account when dividing assets. Yeah, seems like a lot. Yeah, this whole situation, all these are messed up, man. Yeah, everybody is putting, why would the attorney tell her to stay inside the house? Yeah, everybody's saying that is literally the worst thing that she could have done. And we could definitely tell now. And that sucks. Yeah, man. Feel bad for the family. Feel bad for the kids. It seems like the husband really didn't care about this woman. Poor Sharon. Yeah.